guys, I am so excited because today Neat Method is coming and they are redoing my office space. You know, I recently got a Murphy bed in here. This used to be the guest room, and so it still can be a guest room because the Murphy bed can come out of the wall, but they got rid of so much stuff for me and they have just been amazing. One of the things I really loved about them, besides, hello, I love organization and cutesy type stuff, but they get rid of things for you. So for example, there's like a ton of blankets and just like old decor, like things I did not want anymore. I don't have to worry about it because they're taking it all and they're giving it to the thrift store and donating it. So that is just awesome. That takes some of the work out for me.
Okay, so here is the before. This, like I said, was our guest room / pretty much just dumping grounds because we would just throw everything in here instead of dealing with it. Half the stuff in this closet I didn't even know exist or know that it was there. So I was so excited to hire Neat Method to come and do this space for me because this is going to turn into my home office, and I just truly admire Neat Method. I constantly look at their pictures on Instagram. They give me so much motivation, and I just felt like this would be a real treat for myself, and I love how it turned out. I'm going to share with you their tips and tricks. So step 1 for them is to sort and categorize everything. So you'll see here they're laying down a blanket as to not mess up our floor, and then they're just going to start tackling everything and just sorting it all and categorizing it. You'll see them pull out some pink post-it notes and they are writing on there the different categories that each thing is. They also sort everything into 3 piles: keep, toss, and donate. They categorize everything and then they keep pile by item, for example, writing utensils, electronics, office supplies, files, etc. So when they were done with this step, they called me in to check everything out, and basically I said get rid of everything, and I truly love the fact that they go ahead and donate everything for you. They packed everything up into their car. As you can see here, these were all the things I had to go through. They packed it all up and donated it for me, so I didn't have to do anything. I just kind of wanted to show you here a sample of the post-it notes and the things that they labeled before they went out to go shopping. Okay, so step 2 is to map and measure. And actually, Caitlin from Neat Method came over to my house a few weeks ago. I talked about it in a vlog, and she kind of came in the office and measured different spaces and got an idea of everything that I really wanted. And let me just tell you, she exceeded my expectations times a million. Like, she was just so professional, so amazing, and so sweet. She takes care of the Philadelphia area and then all surrounding areas. So definitely reach out to Caitlin if you need her to do your space. She does all kinds of organization. You can check out her Instagram to see some pictures that she's done. But yeah, she's a young entrepreneur like me, and I love supporting other women. So in this map and measure process, they figure out where each category is going to live in our office, and items used on the daily should be close by, while items are used less frequently can be placed higher and up in drawers. They measure spaces that need products. So those are the steps that she told me that go along with map and measure. So you can see here, Caitlin is creating a shopping list for me and just kind of thinking of all the things that she's going to need to organize all these different categories. And let me show you what she got. She did amazing. You can see here the list that she came up with for everything that she needed. And she went out to the Container Store as well as Target to get me a floor lamp because I said that I was really wanting a new floor lamp for this space. She also, ahead of time, before she even came over, made a Pinterest board. I told her I want a rose gold type of theme, and she made a Pinterest board and shared it with me and allowed me to pin some things that I wanted as well. So this has been like a process before she even came, and I just love everything down to every single detail, all of the thought she put behind everything. I can't say enough good things. So also while they shop, they usually buy everything from the Container Store. So they bring their shopping list, measuring tape, and they also bring photos of any areas that need product as well. So the final step is step 4, and that's to implement and label, as you see Kate showing us right now. I just love her. So now Meg and Kate are just figuring out where everything's going to go. They're looking at photos. They are labeling things with labels and then just using sticky notes for the time being until they decide on anything permanent, because they move things around a bunch before they decide exactly where they want everything. They even moved the shelving, and I thought that was just like amazing because it just, everything looked like it was so well thought out, and you'll see at the end that where they decided to put everything just belongs and just looks beautiful. You guys know that I love cleaning, I love organizing, and I love decorating. So you're probably wondering why I hired Neat Method to come. Well, like I said, it was a treat for myself, and I really learned so much from them. And this room, like I said, I feel like we all have that like one thing that we hoard. For me, it's like office supplies and apparently blankets in that closet that I didn't even know were there. But we all have that one thing that we kind of hoard, and we kind of just like put it to the back of our mind. So to have somebody come in and do it for you, it just felt amazing. I loved all of their organizational ideas, and I just loved the process, and I love how involved they let me be. And it really just felt like I was doing something for myself. I've been working from home for almost 2 years now, and everything has been scattered all over my house, and nothing had a place. And now everything has its place, and I'm obsessed with it.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart.
Watching this video just makes me so happy. They put so much hard work into my office, and this space as I'm sitting in it right now doing my voiceover is everything I ever dreamed of. So grateful for them. I will have both of their Instagram accounts linked down below. They're great girls, and I know that you'll love following them, so make sure you do that for me and tell them that Tiffany sent you.
Oh my goodness! Did you find it? Oh my gosh, the pink helmet and my card holders. I feel like a real professional person. Oh my god, I don't know where to look first. I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah, take it all in.
This is freaking gorgeous.
So that side is more like stationery, office supplies, notebooks, all your happy planners, and then electronics at the bottom.
This is amazing, you guys. Oh my god. I feel like a real professional now.
You are.
You are professional.
Oh my gosh. And then over here, we have your Beauty and the Beastons keepsake, all your camera equipment, and all your sponsorship. So this is kind of your business spotlight.
This is amazing. Thank you guys so much. And I love the little letterboard and all the little details and the rose gold. Oh my gosh, thank you. Of course. And I love the desk over here. And this rose gold, the desk looks really good over here.
Yeah, so right here you have your whole charging station, and then we added some inserts to keep you nice and organized inside with the office stuff that you're probably not using quite as much.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love the business cards, everything.
Yeah. So A few more details over here. We have your extra business cards in here.
Okay.
And then right here we have your receipts for the month.
Okay.
Then you can clip them all together and we'll show you where you can file them in the closet.
This is awesome. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys thought of everything. I love that everything has its place. That makes me feel so good, and this light's perfect. All right, so
Closet.
Closet.
So cute. Sorry, I'm gonna be like texting you forever, like all the little details I find. Wow, this is awesome. I love how you categorize everything.
Yep, so everything like is with like to keep it really simple.
Yeah.
Labeled, all the arts and craft supplies, party supplies, anything like that.
I love the little keepsake boxes too.
Yeah, they're great. They're the perfect size. Once it gets too full, you know it's time to maybe go
Yes.
through.
Oh my gosh.
And then if you want to open that receipts box down on the bottom, open up the door.
Oh wow, this is perfect.
That is filed per month.
Oh my gosh.
And then you also have last year's receipts in there, so they're all together.
I love it down to how everything matches. This is amazing. This is like my dream come true.
Okay. That makes me so happy.
It really is.
Yeah, so that's everything.
Gosh, thank you guys. You seriously spent like all day in here.
So originally I wanted to help them out with the office, but then we decided it would be an amazing surprise. So I'm so glad I did it that way because my God, it is beautiful. It's stunning. It's everything I could have ever dreamed of, and I'm just so grateful for Neat Method and Caitlin and Meg. They just did an amazing job. I wanted to give you guys a close-up of all of the little details that went into everything. It's just, I still can't believe this is my office.
We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away. I run away. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep your secrets there, keep them everywhere. Just you and I run away.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as well as these amazing Neat Method organizational tips. Don't forget to check out Neat Method and Kate and Meg. I'll have all their Instagram handles below. And just thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you think I should hire them to do the mudroom as well.
Whenever your heart is broken,